Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to this episode live stream here for June 22nd, Monday, 2026, 9:22 a.m. Mountain Time. Market is down today. Nasdaq at this moment is down 1%. Dow is up 0.2%, so there's another divergence there. S&P is down 0.3, and Nasdaq volume, NYSE volume is much lower at this moment. Um, so there is some news, more news about the Iran thing that U.S. may be closer to signing a deal. Yeah, and we have, let's just go to the chart for a second. Sorry, a little bit slow here. Okay, okay, we're gonna look at SpaceX first, just cause that one's getting a lot of attention here. So this morning it did drop quite significantly. So it looks like it's down 8% at this moment. So yeah, so we have, kind of top at least short term right now. It went up as high as like 225. Now we are down to 168. IPO was 135. They opened at 150. So yeah, so this a lot of people pay attention to this. I'm not trading this, so but I just bring this up because just there's a lot of attention to this. Anyhow, so that's that. Let's go look at the index here, QQQ. So it's down right now. So QQQ is down a little bit less, 0.3%. Let me just look at the Nasdaq Composite. It might be a little bit delayed. So the Nasdaq Composite is down more, which is very interesting. Um, so this is the whole index. It's down 1%. So we have a broader sell-off, whereas the concentrated one, the weighted index, or the top 100 one, is dropped lower. So again, more very narrow scope in terms of what's performing right now, and most of it is probably related to chips. And yeah, so you can see right now we're not touching the green line, which is the 10-day. We go back to Nasdaq Composite. We are at the green and the pink line, both 10 and 21 day. So I don't like where this is going, just cause the chart is showing possible resistance today at the high here, and we could have a downtrend line forming, and this is also setting up. If we close weak here, we could be setting up for a touch of the red line again. So that is could happen. Um, okay, let's keep going here. Let's go to SPY. So SPY also reversed. You can see from this morning high, and now it's back to 10 and 21 day again. If we close here, it is setting up for a possible break of that short-term moving average and maybe coming back down to the red line again, the 50-day. So Dow is actually up right now, which is but it's still reversed from this morning high, but it's still up 0.3%, and it hasn't touched today's come near today's yes the previous day's low. So that is interesting. So Dow has been leading. And let's go to Russell Index ETF here, IWM. And this one is actually up as well, 0.7%. So that is also interesting. So Dow Russell, right? Russell make new high this morning. That's where the strength is at this moment. So that's interesting. Uh, in terms of stocks on the move, I've already looked through some of this list. I didn't go through all of them yet, but you can see CXW, JBIO Bioscience, ECO or Tanker, RFIL, UMC, ASX, Frontline, IMOS, Chip, Raw Stores, TNK. So we have some tankers, oil tankers here. Let's quickly take a quick look at those because they're moving today. I think there was some explosions, natural gas plant could be related to this. So there's ECO making a move right now. TNK is also making a move right now, breaking above resistance. So that's where some of the strength is. And then we have again the chip stocks here, ASX. Okay, let's look at SMH quickly here just to see where the whole chip index is. So you can see make new high, came back down, trading at the bottom range right now of the day, but it's still higher for the day right now. So let's look at ASX, making huge move right now, new high. IMOS also making new high here, very strong move, gap up. Credo making new move, up 11%, new high. Yeah, huge move today for some of the hardware chip area. Here's SanDisk also making new high. This you know some of the stocks this morning. Let's see. Uh, Dow is bouncing as well. SIMO is bouncing. SITM, TSM, WDC. So some of the chip stocks are bouncing. So we'll see how the market end today. Again, very narrow leadership, at least based on what we see this morning. We'll see how it goes. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.